Hello students, welcome you all. So now we are going to discuss question number 3. So let's read the question. To conduct sports day activity in a rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines has been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 11 meter each. So 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. Okay. As shown in the following figure, Niharika runs 1 by 4th the distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Well, Preet runs 1 by 5th of the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flag? Okay, this is the first question. Then Rasmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining two flags. Where should she post her flag? Now, let's discuss the question again. So, a rectangular shaped field is there, A, B, C and D. So, lines has been drawn. You can see line 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. So, distance between each line is 1 meter. 1 meter. Now again flower plots has been placed along AD and distance between each flower pot is 1 meter. And how many flower pots has been placed? 100 flower pots. So total distance will be 100 into 1 will be equal to 100 meters. So distance along AD, this distance is 100 meter. Now again what has happened? Niharika is running with a flag green in color and she has run 1 by 4th of the distance. How much distance? This 100 meter. 1 by 4th distance she has run and she has posted a flag here. Okay. Now again Preet. Preet is running also with a flag that is red in color. Okay. And she has run 1 by 5th of the distance. How much distance? Of the 100 meter. Okay. And she has posted the flag at this point after passing 1 by 5th distance. So what we have to do? We have to find the distance between the green flag and the red flag. And again Rasmi will post another flag exactly in between, okay, the green flag and the red flag. Okay, you have to also find the location of the blue flag. And what is the blue flag? Blue flag will be posted by Rasmi. Okay, where? Exactly in between green flag and red flag. Okay, this is what the question is. Okay, if you can't understand, again please listen it again or read it the question once, twice, 3 times. Okay, now we will move to the proof section or solution section. So before going to solution, you can see here this this field looks like a Cartesian plane because you can see distance between each line is 1 meter. Here distance between each pot is 1 meter. So it looks like a Cartesian plane. And the point where the green flag has been posted, where the red flag has been posted, they have a what? They have a coordinates. Here you can see the x. If you consider it x, we will consider it y. And coordinate of x coordinate will be 1, 2. So x coordinate will be 2 of this point, and y coordinate, what will be the y coordinate? Y coordinate will be the distance covered by this girl Niharika. So what is the distance covered by Niharika? 1 by 4th of 100 meter. So that will be equal to 1 by 4 into 100, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 100 is equal to 25 meter. So this distance is 25, that is y axis is 25, x axis is 2. Now again we will move to this girl Preet. How much distance she has covered? 1 by 5 of 100, that is equal to 1 by 5 into 100, and it will be equal to 20 meter. So this distance is 20 meter. Okay, and the x axis distance is, you can see, 8 meter. So coordinate of this red flag will be here 8 and 20. Now we have to find the distance between this red flag and blue flag. Let's move to the solution now. Okay, we know the distance formula, so we can find it. Okay, now From the given instruction, it is observed that Niharika has posted the green flag 1/4 of the distance of AD, that is 100 meter. So 1/4 of 100 meter equal to 25 meter. We have already discussed about it. From starting point, second line. Therefore, the coordinate of the point will be 225. I have already shown in the figure 225. Similarly, the coordinate of the red flag will be 820. That also I have shown that in the figure. Now we have to find what? Distance between these 2 points. We know the distance formula. What is distance formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square whole root over. So you find x2 x1 here 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2 square plus 20 minus 25 square, 20 minus 25 square, 8 minus 2 is here square, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36. Similarly here 20 minus 25 is minus 5, minus 5 square is 25. 36 plus 25 is 61, root over of 61. But the distance between 2 points. Okay. So distance we have found, distance equal to root over of 61. So one problem we have solved. Another problem is there. What is the problem? So suppose this here is the green flag and here is the red flag and green flag. Now we have Rasmi, what Rasmi had to do? Rasmi have to post another blue flag exactly in between the 2 lines, and that point will divide the line into 2 equal part. Okay, exactly 2 equal part. That means the blue flag will divide this distance in the ratio of 1:1. So here you can see m1 is to m2. If you will consider m1 equal to 1 and m2 equal to also 1. Okay. Now we'll move to the find the coordinate of blue flag, and for that we will be using what? Section formula. Okay. So now we'll move to that. Now see. Oh. Now the point Rasmi should post her blue flag in the midpoint of the line joining these 2 points. So let the point be xy. So we will consider the point, coordinate of the point be x and y. So what will be the formula for x? You know that x is equal to your x2 minus x1 minus or plus x2 plus x1. x2 plus x1 is x2 plus x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and y equal to y2 plus y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Why? Because here we have, this is the special formula, if you remember, where m1 equals to m2 equals to 1. Okay, equals to 1. Okay. Now so x2 plus x1, where you can see where is x2, the points coordinates, here are the coordinates. I will clear it out. These are the coordinates. Okay. So x2 minus x1, 8 minus x2 plus x1, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2 or 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Here m1 equal to m2 equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now x, okay. Now so 2 plus 8 by 2, then it will be equal to 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 by 2 equal to 5. So x coordinate is here 5. Similarly y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 divided by 2, that is y1 is here you can see 25, y2 is 20. So 25 plus 20 or 20 plus 25 divided by 2, 45 by 2. So your coordinate will be this 5 and 45 by 2. 5 and 45 by 2. Okay. So this is the solution.